congratulations, Gab, and best wishes, Rena. Iti daytoy kay panagkasar, sigurado na nga maragsakan kayo. After 6 years nga panagnobyo ken panagnobya nyo.
Hi. Salitang simula nung ating kwento, sarap balikan nung high school lang tayo noon. Palim ako na nagkakagusto sa'yo, mala minhaning mga ngiti mo at ngiting mga mata mo.
Hi, love. To my palagi, this is the day that we have been waiting and praying for. Grabe no, yung crush mo noon, asawa mo na ngayon.
Like the stars fall from the sky, like the sun waking up the night. You're the light in my dark.
So whatever decisions that you are going to undertake or what you are going to make, always ask the consultation through prayer ken ni Apo Diyos.
I love you, love. Thank you sa pag-unawa, pag-alala, pakikiramay. Sa oras na mahina ako, dahil sa'yo ako bumangon sa araw-araw.
Waited all my life for this moment.
Our 6 years long distance relationship wasn't easy. But we did it and it was all worth it. Hindi lahat ng nasa LDR walang forever. Thank you for coming into my life, lalo sa panahong kailangan ko ng karamay. Minsan na akong hindi naniwala sa pag-ibig, pero nabago to nung dumating ka sa akin.
Stars fall from the sky, like the sun waking up the night. You're the light in my darkest of days. You're the one pulling my heart awake. I'm falling for you.
And the very reason why you are going to talk to one another is because you need to express each other all about love. You need to value the presence of God in your life.
The time has come.
I promise that I'm always be here for you. You'll always be my palagi. I love you so much, my love.
With open eyes, your hand in mine, now and forever. The time has come, it's all begun, now and forever. With open eyes, your hand in mine, now and forever. Like the stars fall from the sky, like the sun waking up the night. You're the light in my darkest of days.
At ngayon, nandito tayo, handa akong piling ka araw-araw, habang buhay. I love you so much, my love.